I don't even know how to fucking respond.
My Bayonetta, bro.
I was kind of like confused. Like, he was like, thanks for the offer, but like, I think like I'm.
Keep that dream alive, where everything is free. Can't you see? You know you have to survive.
You having fun, Louis?
Got to keep that dream alive.
Yo, what's good? We're about to go get some wings and some pizza for the function. It's got a pretty good grind sesh so far. I'm just pretty much just testing out the camera and seeing what's good. It looks like everyone's having a good time. Hopefully. Not Luis though, he looks like he's getting camped out by literally everyone. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go get the pizza and we'll see what happens after that. So, see you in a bit. Look.
Fucking this shit up.
That's not Max Huggy. Dude, ban that already, bro. You guys are on a team like that.
Yeah, you were salty as fuck. You were mad. You were like, it's not fair that Luis and G Dog are on the same team. And like we were playing double tank too. Like we weren't even playing DPS.
No, probably because like, who was the other people playing,
Was
bro?
it any role?
The other roles. It was randoms. It was all randoms. Like, you know, somebody had to
That's
play
what I
like
mean. I was probably like a shit ass team. Like, what do you mean? I probably had like Geels, fucking ramen, even though he didn't exist. You know what I mean? Like,
Didn't we have
I canceled.
Oh yeah? Cancelled?
Because I'm here to look for the TO, but there's no TO at the TO desk. The deodorant right here though. Got the TO laptop and that fan over there.
Oh, it's the actually Kabi bombs or Kabi anti-bombs.
Oh, it's Les Blue Boy over there. Angel. Looks good.
Hey, G-Dog, just tying my shoe.
Good, bro, good. It's gonna be in the video.
Good.
Best part of the
I
video.
double knot all the time.
Good, bro, good. Oh, we got the main man himself right here.
Do I need someone here at all times?
He's a very busy fellow. And we got Sean over there.
not a very busy fellow yet.
In the city. Oh, yeah. You know you have to survive.
What are you doing here, Arthur?
Dude, I was about to ask if you were coming.
Of course I'm coming. Good seeing you.
Hey man, I'm just helping him out.
It's alright. What's up, man? I'm Chris.
Hopefully you win, man. Or you win a couple.
We'll see. I have to play Lima, who's the first projected to win the whole thing.
Really? Is Lewis coming?
He's yet, yeah, but he said he's coming at 3, but he's kind of like iffy about it. It's because he's been losing a lot, so he's kind of like mad about it. Dry card play, the man himself.
Thanks, sir.
How you doing? You want to talk about what you're selling here?
Yeah, we focus mostly on trading cards. We do have some collectibles as well. We're also running a raffle right now for a lower entry. And basically, it's a point system, so the more entries we get, the more points get accumulated. And at the end of the day, we'll call in a winner. The winner gets to pick an item based on the amount of points that we got throughout the day. And then if not all the points are used, we'll continue calling winners until we are out of points.
Okay, sounds good. We'll take a look at these real quick. So these are some of the prizes right here. We got some for 90 points. I'm guessing that's $90, right?
So for these, so you get to pick one of these for 50, take 2 for 90, 3 for 140.
Oh,
or
that was a deal.
Yep.
Nice. Got some figurines, we got some posters, and some mouse pads. It's pretty good stuff.
You ready to go in space? Help me get the emeralds.
Mr. Newport. Oh, we got Mr. Sprite over there. We got Mr. Dustin.
He's getting farmed.
Ooh.
Sprite. You got 3 stocks.
Eee, bro.
All allowed, you know. That was kind of a. It's just too. Yo, Koga, if you're watching this, I don't think you should time this guy. I mean.
Saying who?
No way.
Coming my way, weaving. Gotta go straight. Any criminal crime don't pay. Seeing the crazy look, Eggman's fade. Don't let it hit you. 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 Don't let it hit you.
He's not even TO, that's the crazy part.
Hey. Don't steal his valor.
Ain't no valor, bro. I volunteered, but they didn't fucking cast me. So you know what? That's okay. They got the TO who's not the TO doing TO stuff. Yeah, look at
You wanna take a shot of Frown?
Throw out a gang sign.
Alright.
Alright, I'll throw up the set.
You wanna take a shot of Crown?
Yeah.
I don't have Crown.
Why the fuck did you say that?
Because Diego said if we ask you to drink literally anything, you'll probably drink it.
Yeah. Wow. It's fucked up.
What place are you getting bonga?
I don't know. 3rd place.
Who smells, bro?
There's someone over there in the melee section that kind of smells like ass. I'm not gonna say any names, but dude, it's bad.
It's bad.
It's bad.
Ya cállate.
Hello, my name is Bonga Bizzle. I'm gonna be starting my matches soon. I'm gonna hit the slay button. Okay, bye.
Oh, I'm gonna put Disney copyrighted music. Your beat is going down, brother.
No,
You're done, bro.
no. Bonga's fucking dripped out, bro. Gold Cartiers, AirPods, Gucci shirt, gym shorts. He's ready.
Ah, dang it! I thought it looked good.
I didn't say it didn't. It's just a funny combination.
No, it's like his name.
I'm gonna record the winning here, and then I'm gonna...
That's my hotel hero, bro. That's Josh. That's Mr. Newport for you, bro. Like,
What did you do today?
Fucking shit, I didn't do anything. No, I ran the bracket, bro. Like, I came here.
Who did you feed today?
Who did I feed?
I'm gonna speed this shit up and like just run through it like in 5 seconds. What do you gotta say?
you know, big El Paso shit, you know? No, I'm just kidding. I don't fucking know. Big El Paso shit.
What's wrong with the controller?
Yo, shut up, bro. I'm gonna get caught, bro. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with this Fisher Price controller, bro.
If you lost this Fisher Price controller, this guy's got it right here. This is the TO rating.
No, you're dumb as fuck. Yeah,
Sure
I got you. Just let me know.
We'll protect it. We'll protect it.
And it's in good hands.
Good hands. How'd it go, bro? How'd it go?
Honestly, it was a hard-fought battle. I can feel.
Close 3-0?
There were some close games, yes.
Were there?
Nah, it was free, bro. It was free.
Were they close games?
Yeah.
Someone's lying to me then.
They were kind of close.
And then?
But then, I mean, it's Little Mac, so, you know, that's how it goes.
Don't play Little Mac. The grinders over here. We got Medina, the top 16 master over here. The Steve Killer. The Chachi Slayer. We got Toga over there. And Super Size Me. A bunch of other people. It's crazy stuff.
Interview out-of-state people.
¿Qué más pasa? Aquí estamos con Mo. ¿De dónde eres?
De Baja California Sur.
Bueno. ¿Y por qué te trae aquí?
Pues la verdad venía a Ciudad Juárez a un torneo y me invitaron a este y cómo iba a rechazar un torneo, ¿no?
¿Y es tu primera vez en Estados Unidos?
Sí, la primera vez que vengo a Estados Unidos solo y a un torneo.
No, qué bueno, qué bueno. ¿Y cómo te ha ido en el bracket?
Bien, estoy en Winner Semis, voy a jugar contra Newport. Me han dicho muy buenos comentarios de él, que es muy bueno y más ansioso de jugarle no puede estar.
¿Sí? ¿Y a quién esperas jugar más aquí?
A Lima, sinceramente. Lo trae desde Smash Factor, traigo esa espina del what if que hubiera pasado si lo hubiera ganado Shadi. Hoy, espero que hoy se demuestre a ver qué onda.
Bueno, pues ahorita vemos. Muchas gracias.
Claro que sí.
Dude's not top 100. Not even a top 100 Little Mac. I'm his biggest hater.
You heard it here, folks. You heard it here first, folks. The Mr. Newport is not a top 100 Little Mac. So
I lost
God
a deal.
knows how I made it this far. Dio is a top 100
I lost to a top 100 Little
Oh no,
Mac.
is he top 100? I think he's literally number 100.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, this match is going pretty well. It's pretty even so far.
What are you gonna do after this? Let's go drinking.
Let's go drive.
You know who died to that?
Who?
Medina.
Medina?
Medina died. Yeah, he did die to the F Smash. Actually, Josh would never do it.
Nah, Josh got the hometown hero DI. That's why he's the hometown hero.
Like 100% accurate.
Call 8, comeback.
Let's go.
Maybe
Can't have light without darkness. Can't have yin without yang. Can't have water without fire. Water and fire, baby. We got Gios here in his top 8 match against Aaron Hero. It's not top 8 though. Say it, bro. Say it.
Dude, that's why he's a fucking hometown hero. Dude. Wait, where's our number 1 player, bro? Terry T.
He's not here.
Where is Terry T?
Game 5 alert, bro. Game 5 alert.
What the fuck is this?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You want me to tell me my top 25 jokes?
Yeah.
No, I can't. Not on camera. Not on camera.
Are you camera shy? Hey, how's it going? You like my comms?
I didn't hear shit.
No, good. Actually, keep it that way.
I'm like, how am I supposed to hear it?
What are you doing in that port?
There was like a speaker or something, but I couldn't hear it.
Yeah, I didn't realize that there was a speaker until I finished. So I was like,
I heard like bits and words and pieces, but I mean, I couldn't understand it. This motherfucker fucked up my run. Fucked my run up.
Yeah, you didn't make top 16, did you?
No, I got fucking farmed. It's because he beat fucking Sir for the first time ever.
Yeah, I saw that.
And my dumbass lost to him. I went fucking like 2-2.
Fucking SCK champion like 2, bro. Got another belt under his name.
from Evo champ to SCK champ.
Alright.
Ultimate's done. Thank you guys so much for coming. We're still have melee going on though. They're doing grands over there. But our ultimate, congratulations to Lima, taking the victory. Go.
Oh yeah, they have their own stream. They do have their own stream. This guy, dude, that was it.
We're actually going to get seated at IHOP. We'll see you guys in 2 hours when we leave.
¿Qué quieres de comer? Cuando agarras los huevos, agarrarlos estrellados. No hagas nada de esas cochinadas de revueltos.
I'm gonna translate huevos to balls.
Yeah, te los agarro.
Subtitles. What are you laughing at, bro?
Damn you. I gotta. Hold on, can you fix my hair? Just kidding.
What do you gotta say, bro? What was the? Did you like the tournament?
I'm retired.
Yeah, me too.
I'm a musician.
A famous musician.
A famous musician.
So
we're just at IHOP. The waiter's already gone. It just got here. We don't know what happened.
It was a 15-person table, and we're on hour 1 of IHOP, and it's looking like hour 2 is fast approaching. I'm really sleepy. This is the owner of the GoPro.
Pass it around.
We gotta make it go
Alright,
viral,
bro. So we're at IHOP right now. Permit. He rigged the elections. We were supposed to go to Cane's, but it wasn't fair, bro. Alright, pass it down, bro. Say something to the camera.
Wait, motherfucker, I'm eating. The only thing I'm gonna say is, if I would've performed, I would've gotten first place. Nemo would've gotten down. That's all I gotta say, bro. Yeah, that dude sucks ass.
We're just passing around. We don't know what we're doing. Here we're eating. Then we have this guy here. I don't know what he's even doing here.
Wait, was that good?
You're chilling, really? Explain the chill.
Alright, so we're at IHOP. Dude, serves ass. Like, dude, serve lots of kill. Can you fucking believe it? Dude, I would just kill myself. I'm just kidding. Love you, sir. Let's get back and look everything else, sir.
Falcon's mid, right?
Like his biggest accomplishment like ever.
Yo, it's served here, bro. The shift player, Falcon's high tier. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, bro. Don't play Wi-Fi before going to big tournaments, bro. It's a legit trap.
Wait, I mean, wait, Gabe, are you using your fork?
What are we supposed to do?
Just talk to it.
Did people say I already lost to Kyoki, bro? Alright, I can't believe Buster lost to Josh and me again, bro. I'm sorry.
That'd be fun. I'll actually bleep it out.
Honestly, you might want to beep it out.
I made top 8 today.
Honestly, yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, you probably did.
I can't believe in it.
There you go.
Say something.
What's the play? What?
Permit came back today. Oh fuck, I got it. I broke my losing streak today.
Yeah.
Serve literally showed up to fuck up my bracket. He literally threw against Kyoki, got to losers, take me out, and that's it. That's all he did today. And then he got outshined by the big 3 again.
Dude, were you watching that game where I was tossing him like Gannon though?
He's nodding his head, but he knows.